Two.
24 Equinox 2RS all-wheel drive. Look under the bay. No frunk on these guys. Nice blacked out wheels. All the sun glare is in the right spot, can't see nothing. All weather mat back here, charging cable. Kind of a cool color. I don't know what the hell, like green. Did I say green? Like not gray, not pink, somewhere in between. Nice seats with red accents. Even on the door panel here. Nice leather surface. RS on the headrest. Very nice. Fancy steering wheel too. Wow, the red accents on the vents. CCS. That's all she wrote.